I'm doing a soup for lunch, but I prefer to like roast the veggies on the oven instead of boiling them. This soup is so good, like you need to try it. I saw a girl doing it on YouTube. I put pumpkin, cherry tomato, some red onion, some sweet potato, some garlic in the oven with some olive oil, some pepper and some garlic powder. With the soup I'm doing a vegan cheese toast. I just bought these cute little bags. I'm going to prepare today the gifts for my girlfriends. This photo, so special because it was from our trip to Nice. And how beautiful is this photo? In film, of course. Mom knows how obsessed I am with spoons. I think they are from Zara Home and they are iconic. Hi besties. It was such a chaotic day. I had so much work. I did lots of orders, went to the studio editing, did some ceramics, and I just had dinner. Weather in Portugal, it's killing me. We had so many hot days in November. Like something was wrong, of course, global warming. But now it's suddenly so cold. And I couldn't wear lots of blazers this year because it was so hot that you couldn't wear a blazer. You just want like a t-shirt. Now you cannot wear blazers as well because it's so freaking cold. That's sad. Ceramics take so much longer to dry. I'm like finger crossed that the mugs are drying in time for the restock because I did so many Christmas mugs. But I think it's going to be okay. We'll have some sunny days ahead and I'm just doing the restock next week. And as my mom say, like I'm always so stressed about work. Like I need to chill. Like, you know, chill guy from TikTok. I'm going to be a chill girl since now. I'm going to relax. Took a bath with my Lush bath bombs. Now I'm going to make a tea. I love coffee. As I saying, becoming more like a tea person now. I only like some types of tea. My way to do it is to put like a cinnamon, bit of lemon as well, some honey, and I've been enjoying some teas lately. I went to the food market to buy some veggies and now I'm heading home. It's getting there, so good. Hi my loves. As my friends already know, I don't have skills to do things to my hair. The only thing that I can do right is straighten it. I've been wanting like a Dyson for quite a while, but I never bought it. Of course, it's pricey, but I like to think it's an investment. It's what I say to myself. I don't know if I bought it, I will actually use it because I already have so many things for like Baby Bliss and other good brands, and I don't have the skill to do it to my hair. So one of my friends told me that Aldi, it's like a supermarket we have here in Portugal, have a Dyson dupe. And I thought, okay, of course the quality will not be the same since it's so cheap, and I got it. This to say that I got the Aldi dupe just to try, and you can see the materials. It's like plastic, it's not the best, but lots of girls on TikTok said this is very nice for someone who don't have any skills, and I've already tried it and I'm liking it. If I am using this like every day, of course this one will probably damage my hair, so I put lots of sprays before using it, but probably maybe I will get a Dyson. Period. Hi besties, I just went to the post office to deliver all your orders. Today I was Santa Claus. I didn't feel much, not much, I think I didn't feel quite anything, because I really tried to do them fast as possible for them to arriving in time for Christmas, and I loved doing the packaging, but it was so stressful. I only had like 2 days to do so many orders. Like last year, I had some help packing some orders. I have a friend that sometimes comes and help me. My mom does that as well. I think I just to start thinking about hiring someone. My camera just died, so we are going to proceed with my iPhone for a bit. I wanted to show you some gifts that I made, like in ceramic, especially for some of my loved ones. Like as a ceramic artist, we love to do like personalized items for the people that I love. And sometimes I don't show it much like on social media, but I need to start doing that more. And look at this sugar pot thing I'm going to offer my grandmother. Oh my god, like, isn't this the cutest thing ever? I'm going to show you on the table. So here's the piece. You can put like salt or sugar on it. I have this little space for a spoon. The design all over, it's the same as Santa's favorite. And if you open the lid, it has a gingerbread man inside. And just to be clear, it's okay to be sad at Christmas as well. I know for a lot of people, Christmas can be such like a tough season, especially for those who lost like an animal or a family member very close to the dead. It happened to me a few years ago, and I know how bad it is to spend Christmas Eve missing that person. person or that animal. So I'm sending lots of love for you guys. I really hope you have the best Christmas possible. And just remember that you are loved and you are not alone. I just received this postcard from my mother today. The cat looks just like Brownie. I mean, so cute. How can people say they don't like cats? Like Phoebe Bridgers, I'm telling you, you probably didn't had a British short-hair cat. I'm in Algarve, which is where I am from, so all Christmas spend it with my family. I just wake up and had the most perfect nature walk ever. Everything is so beautiful and green in here, and I missed this piece for a long time.